Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change your phone number on Twitch. To change your phone number on Twitch, first of all, make sure to open up the Twitch application and log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on profile icon at the bottom right, and this will open up your profile section. Inside the profile section, tap on settings at the top left, and after you open up the settings menu, click on the security and privacy button and then click on phone. On the next page, write down the new phone number you want to change to and tap on next. Confirm the phone number and you will receive a verification code via SMS on the new number. Before you do that, you'll also need to enter your current password for Twitch. Go ahead and enter it and tap on next at the top right. Now wait for the SMS code to arrive on your mobile number via SMS and write it down in the text box. After typing down the number, click on submit, and just after you do that, you will be able to change your phone number. So that way you will be able to change the phone number on your Twitch account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Tap the bell icon so you never miss out on more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.